Basis of Scientific Research, Lecture 7. The theme, Writing Abstract. The outline, work with the internet sources. The second, arranging works. 3. Acquaintance with the content. 4. Making the outline of the read material. 5. Writing the parts of abstract. Due to technological developments, human learning is becoming increasingly multi-representational. Accordingly, learning in school has become much more than reading and understanding textbooks. One reading context where students encounter multimedia information on a regular basis is the internet, making it possible for students to benefit from texts, pictures, animations, films, and interactive graphs. Hence, the internet has become an invaluable learning tool for students, providing them with a vast amount of multimedia information that they can use for academic purposes. Successful learning from the internet requires learners to integrate task-relevant and reliable information across different representations. Extracts of the read material. Reading your collection of learning materials should be incremental, but so does processing the extract produced. So arrange 2 more works by the same authors by year of publication. Place citations with no date first, then order works with dates in chronological order. Place in press citation last, and give the author's surnames once. If multiple sources are cited within the narrative of a sentence, they can appear in making the outline of the read material. So, after you have completed a draft of your paper, it's a good idea to check to make sure that your ideas are logical, focused, and clearly organized. To check this yourself, you can create what is called a reverse outline. Then list the topic sentence of each paragraph as the main points. Start by reading only these sentences and asking yourself how each paragraph should support your thesis. Outlining allows you to play with the structure of your paper until you find the most logical, consistent way to present your ideas. Whether you are working with your own paper or text you read in class, outlining can help you come to a deep understanding of the organization, structure, and logical consistency of a text. Your abstract. What is the purpose? Scientific abstracts introduce journal articles, inform readers about the author's content, help readers decide whether or not to read article, overview conference programs, abstract collections, and book chapters. Scientific abstract is a short 200-300 words and overview of the article that should focus all the major elements of the report or article. So writing the parts of the abstract, step-by-step process. Write introduction sentences describing your research methods, sentences describing the results, findings, and containing your conclusions and recommendations. Revising the abstract. Read the abstract all the way through, add transition words, eliminate unnecessary content, and correct errors in mechanics and proofread. Your abstract should be short and concise, but the section should also flow smoothly, since your credibility is influenced by the style and precision with which you write. Effective style and accurate grammar and mechanics are important elements of a successful abstract. Thesis abstract is a small version of your dissertation. This small description ensures a better understanding of an entire paper, discovers the present condition of analyzed problems, distinguishes main objectives, and determines existing expectations. A profound analysis of a major question is requested. Abstract needs to be less than 5% of the dissertation. Students write thesis abstracts of a proper length, get information for the summary using their own personal background, information, knowledge, and analysis fall out. This abstract includes main analyzed objectives, compound research questions, problem statements, detailed methodology, and conclusions. Abstract needs to include source references and acronyms. It allows describing the top point of a dissertation paper, providing a good understanding of the studied subjects, and discovering numerous outcomes. Key theories and hypotheses are requested parts. They bring needed thesis abstract accurate form and allow saving times for the essential part flawless completion. Don't forget to check out these thesis abstract examples provided by professional thesis writers at the end of this article. Those 3 elements of the thesis abstract. Begin by clearly defining the purpose of your research. So, after identifying the problem, state the objective of your research. Use verbs like investigate, test, analyze, evaluate to describe exactly what you are set to do. And should never refer to the future as the research is already complete. Use present or past simple tense. Qualities of an effective abstract. The volume, no more than 200-300 words. Introduction, body, conclusion, containing purpose, research, questions, methods, findings, conclusions, recommendations, and chronology, then summarizing the report, no new information, and contain standalone qualities, and so they are eligible to wide. So the structure of an abstract. Effective abstracts, writing an abstract. So remember what an abstract typically contains: topic, research, question, methods, results, and conclusion. Authors almost always write the abstracts last after they have completed the research document, so that the abstract contains distillation of all the major points of the article. Students may also want to consider this background engineering for writing the introduction sections of their research documents. Requirements to the content of a scientific work. So structure, title page, content, introduction, main part or conclusion, and list of literature. The recommended literature for preparing for the seminar.